Hello everyone, may laban na po ko. Atong sofa available. So mo ni ang 2 accent chairs o ang iyang table. Done with these 3 everyone. Is ready. By the way, I'm going to share this because ang orders na avail kay rectangular gyapon nga table center table. This set is still available everyone. So magiganahan ka mag-avail karon. And ugma na nako tiwason ang isa ka sofa na lang akong i-polish bukas. Ugba after this I'm gonna go to the hospital because na-admit si Cassie everyone. Oh my goodness, life is whew. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I'm gonna see you next time everyone. Blessings everyone. Mag-ambing ka.